Hi, this is a presentation for GANslator, which is a GAN for end-to-end speech translation. Problem statement. We're going to train a two-way speech translator using generative adversarial learning. Specific case is going to be Spanish to English and English to Spanish translation. We're going to use the Fisher and Callhome speech translation dataset, which is the same dataset used by Google's GANslator. Literature. So there are three major inspirations for this work. First is WaveGAN/SpecGAN, and it was the first in the field for using GAN audio synthesis. WaveGAN used a one-dimensional convolutional kernel, whereas SpecGAN operated on the spectrograms of the waveform. Both of them were limited to producing single words when used for human speech generation. Then there is Google's GANslator, which broke away from the automatic speech recognition neural machine translation pipeline, and it did a pure voice-to-voice conversion. That was also trained on using audio spectrograms, but it also incorporated a self-attention mechanism, which is very useful in speech or sequence-based domains. Lastly, there's CycleGAN, which could map from one image domain to another and back again. And this is kind of analogous to the translation problem. And it used cyclic transformation losses. So essentially, we're going to incorporate all three of these things together. We'll use WaveGAN and SpectralGAN as the baseline model, which should kind of be like these parts right here. And then there will be self-attention, which is like this separate module that's on the side. And then there is a cyclic transformation loss, which is one of these losses here. And of course, as a GAN, you have to have a discrimination training right here, which is your generative adversarial loss. And because we're using CycleGAN, there has to be two GANs that are kind of running in parallel, the forward GAN and the reverse GAN. And of course, they have corresponding losses on that side. Evaluation will just be using a speech recognizer on the synthesized output, and then we will calculate BLEU score. And that's pretty much it. Thank you.